A rabbi used ChatGPT to write a sermon. He said his congregation's reaction made him deathly afraid. But that won't put him out of work just yet. Okay, so his congregation, I guess, went with it. They're like, not bad.
Yeah.
They're like, good work, Rabbi. And he's like, that was not me.
I'm deathly afraid.
That was ChatGPT. Not me. They're like, why are you talking?
He starts rapping.
Why are you talking like that, Rabbi? That wasn't me. It was ChatGPT. Rabbi Joshua Franklin told ChatGPT to write him a 1,000-word sermon about intimacy and vulnerability. Franklin told his congregation he was deathly afraid when applause broke out after his sermon. Oh, my God. Standing ovation. Finally, this guy gets it.
Yeah.
It's like, I've been here for years, and you go for ChatGPT. It's
Just a
not me.
tear rolls down his eye.
That wasn't me. That was ChatGPT. Franklin told the Associated Press that ChatGPT is really great at sounding intelligent, but it lacks empathy. So this happened in New York, and it was in a video, actually, telling his congregation at the Jewish Center of the Hamptons that he was reading a plagiarized sermon to them. He later revealed it was written by ChatGPT. Now you're clapping. I'm deathly afraid, Franklin told his congregation when they applauded after the sermon. I thought truck drivers were going to go long before the rabbi in terms of losing our positions to artificial intelligence. Franklin told the Associated Press that the ChatGPT sermon was based on a portion of the Torah about intimacy and vulnerability. He also told He also told the Associated Press that his congregation guessed the sermon was written by really wise, smart, and thoughtful individuals. Well, what he did is a combination of things, right? Because they respect him and they're there to see him, and then he's still reading it. Mm-hmm. So they're already in the framework of, I guess, respect or authority to a certain extent. So he's helping sell the artificial version of it. Mm-hmm. ChatGPT might be really good at sounding intelligent, but the question is, can it be empathetic? And that, not yet, at least, it can't. Yeah, I guess it can't. It can write this. It can write the. It could be me right now. It could be you. It could be.
Also, I think the rabbi needs to present it in a way where it is empathetic, even though ChatGPT wrote it. There's a delivery.
No, I know. We're a long way from ChatGPT delivering it.
Yeah, can you imagine now?
But you can imagine, though, that they could do some concoction of something that looks sort of like a human that appears to be empathetic. Like we're talking down the road here, Will.
And using Joe Rogan's voice or something.
You just take by the way, quick update on that. So people were saying, hey, I can easily tell that that's not Joe Rogan. I watch Joe Rogan all the time. That's not the point. I'm not, when we talk about that clip, I wasn't suggesting that you were going to be fooled, the regular Joe Rogan viewer. I'm talking about everybody else that isn't really used to watching it.
Yeah.
Or everybody else who's in some sort of vegetable state as they're scrolling scrolling TikTok and not thinking. And you might say, well, they deserve it then. But what I'm saying is it's just a whole new type of information warfare. That's all I was trying to get to, with that story. But I could also tell it was fake. Obviously, that's why I included it.
Yeah.